Guys, today we're gonna crack my uncle's neck. It hurts so bad. So let's crack it. Can you hold it? Hold it. No, you can see you? Yeah. We're gonna crack his neck. Nope. They're right here. That's a part of the video. Okay, it still hurts. Okay, chill. Hold it again. That's part of the video. Bye.